Hello everyone, how to tools back with another new video. So today I'm gonna share with you how you can send videos in Google Chat. Okay, so if you notice that in Google Chat you are not able to see any option that it allow you to send videos. For example, if you click here the plus icon, this one, so here you can see photos, camera, GIF, meet link, calendar, invite, drive and format, but there is no option for videos. So how can you send the videos? Okay, so in the same process, like you have to click the photos. Okay, photos you can send videos also through this option. For example, I'm just going to click and you have to choose the videos. So you can see I have videos here. So this one, the first one. So I'm just click on the first one. Once I click the first one, then here you can see this is the video file. So simply if you want to write something, then you can write, or otherwise just simply click send. Once you click send, then it takes few times to send to your friend. So it's perfectly sent. Okay, so it takes, wait a second, then you'll see that this is the video. So you can send a video. Okay, this said send a video. So this is the same process. You can also send videos to your friend. You can say this is a video of file. Okay, so okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching the video.